What's up guys, and welcome to a new BeamNG. Like my first video, it's a BeamNG challenge. This time it's trying to get through the harbor. I made one of these videos before, but I deleted it because I didn't succeed. But this time I'm gonna hop onto the ferry, and we all know, if you've seen it, there's a police at the end. So let's get into this. And off we go. Round the corners smoothly. Brake, 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 and give gas. Brake. Okay. This time I hope we're very successful, because last time we spent over 7 minutes in this and we didn't get anything. Brake and through here again. Oh my word, I'm supposed to go in front of there, but whatever. And then gas again, brake, turn, through here, brake, then in here, and through the corner, brake. Oh no, no! Backwards, backwards, and then gas again. As you can see at the top left, top right corner, our time is there. And then around here, around there. Okay, now we all know after this curve corner, slow down, then slowly around, and then let's give gas, guys. Gas, gas, gas. I'm slipping on the gas. Brake, 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 brake. Stop, stop, stop. Backwards, forward. We can still drive. Not the hell, yo. Okay. Oh. After this corner, the police. Policey. Ah, you're not fooling me today. I'm coming around you. What you want, police? I'm faster than you, police. Police, don't you dare. Jump on the ferry. I'm trying. No, don't push me off. Don't push me off, police. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We failed. Failure. No. No. Let's try again. Slowly turn. Okay, now we all know. Slowly around here. Let's gas! And don't break into the wall. I'm gonna cry if we do. Brake, 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 brake. Stop the car. Okay. Can we still drive? Yes, we can. Yes, sir. Okay. Engine impact damage. No. Gotta be kidding me. Let's try again. In here. Okay, now slowly around this thing again. Slowly. And then gas. Step on the gas. And I crash. Cause I suck. Straight. Ibishuko. Okay. Why did you fall? Slowly but surely. Inside and outside. Easy peasy. Okay. Let's get this. Let's get right. Come on. Okay, I'm not gonna crash. First, line up very straight, and then give gas. Give gas. There, yeah. And then brake, 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 brake. Stepping on the brake, brake, brake. Work, 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 work. Okay. I'll act. Honestly. Wow, that's clean. Because I have a steering wheel. I don't need a keyboard because I am clean. And then straight ahead. Then brake the brakes. Okay, now slowly. And don't mess up again. If you mess up, I'm gonna brake, 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 brake. Just into there. We don't want to damage our wheels. Yes, we did it. We did it finally. Okay, policeman. I'm looking for no trouble, but the smoke is blocking my screen. I have 3 screens. Okay, what you want, police? I'm too fast for you. Brake. Police. I know I need to jump on the ferry boat game. Let me just go onto the boat, idiot. Brake, 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 brake. Ha, ha, tricked you. Ha ha, police falling off. Hey, hey, you can catch me. I need enough speed. I won't have enough speed. Come on. I'm gonna fail. After, guys, every time I record, it doesn't work. Ah, let me retry again. There's an e-jitting. Can anyone in the comment break dance or something? Anyone who sees this, if you can break dance, you're a legend. No, I'm just saying because my friend died. He was the best break dancer. I don't care. I do care. But yeah, 2 years ago. That's why I'm not crying. But whatever, we need to go around there, straight. Okay, we need to not damage our engine too much because we need the speed. Speed brake. Okay, around there. Brake around there. Hello, police. If we both provide resistance. No, you're not gonna catch me like. And the police falls off. Okay, now I just need to step on the gas so I can make this jump. Jump on the ferry boat. Okay, jump. Yes, finally, I'm not a failure. Or am I? No, I'm not. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yes. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Like, join, subscribe. Bye.